ready to supercharge your lead generation by bringing your existing contacts into Batchleads. Let's dive into a seamless import process to unlock powerful marketing campaigns. The first crucial step is preparing your contact list. Ensure your data is in a spreadsheet format, like a CSV file. Most spreadsheet software, such as Excel or Google Sheets, can export to CSV. The key is to have clear, descriptive headers for each column. Essential fields include first name, last name, email, and phone number. If you have addresses, make sure they're also clearly labeled. Once your file is formatted, navigate to your Batchleads account. You'll typically find an Import Contacts or Upload List button on your main dashboard, or within the Contacts section. Click on this to begin the upload process. Now, you'll either click Choose File to browse your computer for your prepared CSV, or you can simply drag and drop your file directly into the designated area. Batchleads will then begin processing your data. This is where we ensure your data lands in the right place. Batchleads offers a data mapping tool. You'll see a list of the columns from your spreadsheet on one side and the corresponding fields in Batchleads on the other. Simply select the correct Batchleads field from the drop-down menu to match each of your spreadsheet columns. For example, if your spreadsheet has a column called Email Address, you'll map it to the email field in Batchleads. Don't worry if you don't have all fields. Just map what you have. After mapping, you'll usually see a confirmation step. Review the mapping one last time and then click Import or Complete. Batchleads will then process your contacts. You'll be notified once the import is finished. You can then view your imported contacts in your Batchleads account, ready for segmentation and campaign creation. Expanding your reach with imported leads is now within easy reach. Properly organized contacts are the foundation for impactful lead management and targeted marketing. Subscribe for more Batchleads tips.